Hello and welcome. In this tutorial we will be guiding you how you can place paperless orders. We have introduced our organization paperless DSCs. For creating an organization paperless DSC, if you go in the counter section and click on create order, you have to select the organization type. There you will get list of paperless DSCs available in your login. As you can see, there are now two options available, traditional and paperless. If I select the paperless, I would get two more options. Do I want to make an authorized signatory DSC or an employee's DSC? In paperless case, first you have to make a DSC for authorized signatory. Once that DSC has been generated, you can then generate n number of DSCs for employees of that organization. Now I will proceed by filling this application form. I will cut to the part where the application form has been filled. The eKYC ID and the eKYC PIN are entered because an eKYC account is created for the applicant. We are setting a ID and a PIN for that account which is about to be created. If you do not mention GST number, then you have to provide us 3 more documents, that is PAN card of the organization, certificate of incorporation and the bank statement of that organization. In case you enter the GST number, then you do not have to provide all these documents, you just have to provide a filing of last 3 months. Employee code is a organization's code provided to the employee of that organization. So every employee in an organization has this code which can be mentioned here while creating the eKYC account of the authorized signatory. Now I can proceed by clicking on stock sale. This will create a DSC for me. This is authorized signatories DSC. Now I have to complete all these status. Once an authorized signatory DSC has been authorized, that can be used for authorizing employee DSCs within that organization. I can upload the applicant photos. For example, here is a demo photo which I can upload, and the related docs for that organization can also be uploaded right here. The uploaded photo can be viewed from the form. Here, applicant would receive an email in which the link would be provided for generating his video. After clicking on record, he has to speak the dialogues mentioned in bold letter above. Once all this above part is completed, the DSC would be ready to be authorized and can be downloaded or can be used as an e-sign via the eKYC account created. Now to create an employee's DSC, you have to go in create order option. There again you will select the organization DSC whichever the client wants, class 2, class 3. It would not be a problem if it does not matches with the authorized signatory. Then you have to select the KYC for employee option. Here you will mention the KYC of the authorized signatory and then you have to click on submit. After submitting, you will observe that company name and the organization type is already selected. This is fixed because of the authorized signatory's organization type. Now I will skip to the part where I have completed the application form. Here again I have to mention an eKYC account and ID PIN, eKYC account ID and PIN for the employee. A new eKYC account will be created for this employee. Employee code is the code provided by the organization to their employees. These are unique for every employee in a particular organization. Now I will accept the terms and conditions and click on stock sale to proceed with my order. Now my employee's order has been created whose authorized signatory's account ID is this. Moving forward, we will upload the photo of the applicant and that could be checked from the application form right here. Once you have uploaded the photo and the related documents of this employee, you will be able to see the authorized signatory's approval here. You have to complete all the mentioned steps before going to this. Once email, mobile and video verification are completed, then authorized signatory's approval will be required. The authorized signatory can approve via the approval can be done with his DSC or it can be done with the e-sign service we are providing. If we click A link would be sent to the authorized signatory's email ID by which he can give authorization to the employee. If you directly click on e-sign, it will take you to the e-sign page where the document will be shown and eKYC ID of the authorized signatory will already be entered. He just have to mention his PIN and click on send OTP. Once that is done, the employee will get the signatory's approval and his DSC can be proceeded now. After authorized signatory's approval, all the steps can be completed and the DSC can be forwarded for approval from Capricorn. You can put the order ID in chat and support and the approval for that DSC would be provided. This was the process for organization paperless DSC.